Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Cubot Note 7 to other Android smartphone, at first on the both smartphones you have to get application to transfer data, and I can recommend you Send Anywhere app. So let's type Send Anywhere and get it on the both smartphones. Right now we can open. And as you can see, we have accept all the stuff. So we have followed the same steps on the second smartphone. Okay, and we are in this program. So let's go here, follow the same steps, and move to the receive. So right now, as you can see, we can send almost everything. I'm going to focus only on the photos. It's only example, so you have to go here or wherever you want, and then just simply tap on the file that you want to send, and then if you select everything, you have to click send, and this key you have to input right here, then click receive. And as you can see, the transfer is finished. So right now when we enter gallery in the smartphone, we'll be able to find the stuff that we sent. It will be probably in the Google files. But I cannot find here. Well, I cannot find it right here. So maybe let's go for the folder. Okay, so where I can find Google files. What is it? What is going on here? Okay, it's file manager. Okay, never mind, my bad. So when we go for the internal storage, and then we can go for the send anywhere application, and as you can see here, we got the photo that we sent from this Cubot Note 7 to other smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.